Feeling like your spine's auditioning for a horror movie? Meet Spinal Force, clinically proven, 100% natural, non-GMO. This capsule's a pain-fighting ninja. One capsule a day, taken with water, is your ticket to relief. It's not magic, it's science. Targets neuroinflammation, the root cause of pain. Say goodbye to stiffness and hello to mobility. You thought was extinct. No addictions here, unless you count being hooked on feeling amazing again. Powerful ingredients travel your body like GPS, healing inflammation with precision. Back pain? Spinal Force says, not today, and means it every time. Sleek bottle, veggie capsules, health and style in one compact package. Perfect for anyone who wants relief without the drama of side effects. Spinal Force, because your spine deserves better than creaks and groans. Start your journey back to mobility. One capsule, one day, one smile.